Why is it called orchid? The name orchid comes from the Greek word orchish, which means testicle. This refers to the shape of the tubers of some orchid species. The term was first used in the early 19th century by botanist John Lindley, who was fascinated by the diverse forms and structure of the flowers. Orchids are known for their beauty and complexity, which has made them a popular subject in horticulture and art. Orchids belongs to the family Orchidaceae, one of the largest families of flowering plants, with over 25,000 species and more than 1 lakh hybrids. They can be found in variety of environment from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. In different cultures, orchid symbolize various concepts. For instance, in Chinese culture, they represent refinement and thoughtfulness, while in Victorian England, they were associated with the luxury and the beauty.